Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners, Lesson 11, Course 1. I'm your Italian teacher Claudia, and I'm very happy to start this new lesson with you today. It's about reviewing Lesson 1. I know that reviewing might seem a little bit boring, but it's very important because that's how you consolidate your knowledge. So that's very important. It's fundamental when learning a new language. So if you remember, Lesson 1 was all about greetings, saluti, in Italian. So let's start to review those greetings. Hello is ciao. Ciao. Perfect. So then we did how to introduce yourself. Do you remember we have two options, as in English? The first one is to use the verb to be. And now we have even done the conjugation of the verb to be. So, I am Claudia, sono Claudia. Sono Claudia. Perfect. And then the other option is to say, my name is Claudia. So, in Italian, that would be, mi chiamo Claudia. Mi chiamo Claudia. Always remember that CH in Italian always corresponds to the sound K, not ch, but K. Great. Perfect. So, this is something new, but it's very important as well. So, how to express your nationality? As in English, we just use the verb to be, and now you're able to use it. So, I am Italian, in my case, sono italiana. Why did I say italiana? Because I am a woman. If I were a man, I would have said sono italiano. Okay? Italiana, women. Italiano, man. Okay? Perfect. Then, another version to express your name is my name is. My name is Claudia, for example, in Italian is il mio nome è Claudia. Il mio nome è Claudia. Okay, my name is Claudia. That's another version. Then, how to ask someone else's name. What is your name? Is come ti chiami? Do you remember this question? Come ti chiami? That literally means how do you call yourself? Okay, perfect. Another possibility is to ask, what is your name? Qual è il tuo nome? Qual è il tuo nome? This question is not really common, but it can become useful. So it's always useful to know it. Nice to meet you. Do you remember? It's either piacere di conoscerti or just piacere. Piacere di conoscerti, piacere. Perfect. Very good. So let's do a mini dialogue. So once again, I'm going to read the sentences you see here, and what you have to do is to reply. I always remind you that if you need more time, just pause the video when it's your turn. Okay? Let's do it. Ciao! Qual è il tuo nome? Il mio nome è Claudia. Piacere. Okay, great. So how did you do? Did your sentences look like these ones? If yes, great job. If not, try to understand where you made the mistakes and why you did it. Okay, and try this dialogue to fill this dialogue one more time. Okay, so let's move to the other greetings we have done in lesson 1. First of all, good morning. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Good afternoon is buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. Good evening, buonasera. Buonasera. And finally, good night is buonanotte. Buonanotte. Perfect. Very good. Then, do you remember how to ask, how are you? So, do you remember that you have two options? So, the first one is, come stai? Come stai? Remember that in Italian, in this case, we use the verb to stay, stare. Perfect. Very good. And then the other option is, how is it going? What's up? Come va? Come va? Very good. And then you can reply, good, bene. Good is bene. And you? Do you remember the difference between e tu and e lei? So tu corresponds to the subject pronoun you, while lei corresponds to the subject pronoun she. And we use she when talking to someone that we don't know, someone that is older than us, someone that is in a higher position than us, like our boss, for example. It's just a way to be more respectful and more polite as well. Okay, great. So let's do another mini dialogue. Once again, I will start reading the sentences and you will have to reply. If you need more time to reply, just pause the video. Okay? Let's start. Ciao, buonasera. Come va? Bene, grazie. Okay, so how was it? Did your sentences look like these ones? If yes, great job. Okay, if not, try this exercise one more time. Perfect, great. So then, do you remember how to say goodbye? Do you remember that we have two possibilities? Ciao, so you use ciao both when you're coming and when you're leaving. So as hello and goodbye as well. But it's a friendly way to say goodbye. The other option is arrivederci. Arrivederci. That is a little bit more polite and formal. Okay? Perfect. See you later is a dopo. A dopo. Very good. And then let's review all these expressions from lesson 1. So the new ones. Let's see the new ones, okay? And some of the most tricky one. So, how to express nationality? Sono italiana. For example, if you're American and you're a man, you would say sono americano. If you're American and you're a woman, you would say sono americana. Okay? Perfect. Il mio nome è Claudia. Qual è il tuo nome? Come va? People, I don't know why, but always forget about this possibility of come va. It's very common, actually. It's even more common than come stai. Come stai is a little more intimate, actually. I would say that to a close friend, for example, but if I meet a friend, I would probably say come va. Okay? And then the reply. Bene. E tu? E lei? Very good. Perfect. So complimenti. Congratulations. We have just finished lesson 11. So we have finished reviewing lesson 1. Great job. I'm very proud of your progress. Have a great day. Ciao.